Setting up promotions in Google Merchant Center is one of the fastest way to increase visibility of your shopping ads across shopping and performance max campaigns. Google Merchant Center has two types of promotions. The first one is called Sale Price Annotations. It's quick and easy to set up. The second one is simply called Promotions. It's more powerful but takes more work to set up. I'll show you how to use both. Before going into the setup process, here are two key things to understand about promotions. First, you'll need to set up your promotions in two places, Merchant Center and your online store. Second, be strategic. Promotions can backfire. Deep discounts can hurt your profits, train customers to wait for sales, and frustrate those who recently paid full price. That's why having a solid promotion strategy is essential. Let's look at the promotion types available in Merchant Center to help build your strategy. Hi, I'm Andrey with Andrey Marketing. I help e-commerce businesses grow with Google Ads. If you need help with your account, ask for a free strategy session via the link in the description. Let's go. Sale price annotations help you highlight discounts in your Google Ads and free product listings. When shoppers see these annotations, they can easily spot your sales and see how much they'll save. When your products meet Google's conditions, shoppers will see both prices across Google Search, Shopping Ads, and the Shopping tab. The original price will have a line through it, and the sale price will be shown as the current price. Your product will also get a special sales badge. These visual elements might look slightly different depending on where your ad appears. Let's create an annotation in Merchant Center. You can do it directly in Products View in Merchant Center or with a spreadsheet via Supplemental Source feature. We'll create it directly. Go to the Product section, click on the product you want to put on sale, click Edit Product, type in your sale price. If you want, set when the sale starts and ends, click Save. After saving, you'll see a preview showing you how your product will look with the sale price. Merchant Center lets you check which of your products have active sale price annotations. Here's how to check. Go to your Merchant Center account and click Products in the left menu. Click the filter icon and look for Sale Badge. Select Yes to see all your products with sale annotations. Promotions in Google Merchant Center are special deals you can offer to customers. These include things like discounts, free gifts, free shipping, and more. Ads with promotions have a special offer badge, which shows more information when clicked on. Think of promotions as sales annotations on steroids. While they take a bit more work to set up than sales annotations, they are a lot more powerful. Just like sale annotations, they show up in both paid ads and free product listings in Google, as long as you have an active product feed in Merchant Center. But before you can use promotions in Google, you need to meet these basic requirements. Your business must be in one of these countries. You must have working accounts in both Google Ads and Merchant Center, with at least one active product and website. Your promotion must work at checkout when customers buy your products. Your promotion can't last longer than 6 months from when it starts. And your promotion must be available to everyone who shops on Google, no special requirements or restrictions. Here's our example promotion setup. We want to offer 20% off on patio glider chairs when customers spend over $200 on their first offer. The promotion will run from March 15th to March 28th. We'll give this promotion an ID. Gliders 3/15/25. Customers will need to use the promo code BIGSALE at checkout. To help customers understand the deal, we'll add a clear promotion title that will appear in their shopping ads. Now that we have all these details ready, we can set up our promotion in Google Merchant Center. There are two ways to create a promotion for your products, using the Promotion Builder or upload as a spreadsheet. The Promotion Builder is a simple and manual way to create a promotion directly on your Merchant Center page. The promotion feed is a spreadsheet that contains information about your promotions, such as promotion ID, title, description, start date, end date, etc. Promotion Builder is easier and faster to use for small number of promotions to submit. In our example, I will use Promotion Builder. In the promotion section of a Google Merchant Center, click Add Promotion. Create promotion. Select the country and language. The country you select determines the currency for the prices shown in the promotion. Let's set the date range from March 15th to March 28th. We'll show it on Ads, Free Listings, and also Chrome browser. After we click on Shopper Incentive, we can choose from different types of promotions. Amount off. Give customers a specific dollar amount discount, like $10 off. Percent off. Give customers a percentage discount, like 20% off. Discount range. Offer flexible discounts, like $15, $20 off or up to 30% off. Cashback. Give customers money back as either a fixed amount or percentage. Free shipping. Offer free delivery when customers buy something or spend a certain amount. Free gift. Give away a free item when customers buy something or spend a certain amount. We choose the percent off promotion type and set a 20% discount. We set no limits on quantity or maximum discount amount. The only conditions are that customers must spend at least $200 and it must be their first offer. Now we can choose which products will be part of our promotion. We can select products by ID, product type, brand, item group ID. We select by product type and select gliders. Apply, save. Next we add the title. It will be Get 20% off the first $200+ offer. We will add promotion ID and the promo code. Save. In a few minutes we'll see the new promotion in Merchant Center. It will be under review. Before our promotion can go live, Google needs to review it. Usually it takes 12 to 24 hours of the promotion effective start time. However, during busy shopping times like Black Friday, it might take several days for approval. That's why it's best to submit your promotions well ahead of time. This wraps up our mini guide on setting up both sales annotations and promotions in Google Merchant Center. If you need help figuring out the best promotion strategy for your account, ask for a free strategy session to help you get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.